Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to G Bear's Off-Grid Ways Homestead in the Desert. Today is September 1st, 2019. It's 5:46 p.m. and it's finally cooled down to 104 degrees. The peak today was 108.8 right here on this same readout on this weather station. And it says rain, but it always says that. And just checked the weather a little while ago, and it's a 20% chance for tomorrow afternoon, dropping to 10% tomorrow night and the next day. So we'll see. That doesn't sound like much of a percentage of chance of rain, but there are some clouds up there in the sky, so who knows? You can get a sprinkle, that'd be cool. Anything. Well, I took my shower, and I wanted to report the official time was 4 minutes and 37 seconds. It looks like Chris Porter was the closest on the guess at 4 minutes and 23 seconds. He's off by 14 seconds, and that's pretty darn close. I had Josephine Flatt at 5 minutes and Rita Richardson at 5 minutes. They were tied for second place. Third place went to Jeff Sorosiak at 33 minutes. Wow, who stays in the shower for 33 minutes? And last place was Ann Bear for Freedom at 42 minutes. Of course, she said 42 for everything. Whatever. It wasn't even close. Okay. So, well, if you put a point in there, 4.2, that was pretty close. All right. So that's the report. And I also left the plug in the bottom of the tub when I was taking the shower. And I measured the amount of water that I used. Well, I didn't actually use. I used for the shower, but it goes to the plants next. So the amount of water was 7.5 gallons. That's more than I normally use for a whole day of cleaning, washing, everything. Yeah, so I did take a long shower, and it was very nice. All right, let's move on outside here. I'm going to show you that I haven't done anything because of the heat, except I did go into town and pick up some ice to ice down some ice water and beer for later on tonight. You can see the clouds in the skies out there, and Andy's handrail leaning over. Still haven't concreted that in. I still have to pick concrete up for that. But it was just too hot to do any of that kind of stuff today, so I took it easy. I did a load of laundry this morning. I just took that off of the line and folded everything so it's all ready to put away. And I've got another load to do tomorrow. I wasn't going to do any more today because it's just way too hot. And I put the fire pit back where it belongs. I had to move that out of the way so the water truck could back in. And I just unhooked the clothesline from this side and then hang it up over there by the metal rack. And then after he left, I just put it back up again. So everything was planned. Everything's working out fine. And I think I may end up selling that radial arm saw. And anybody interested, got a really good price for that. Price you couldn't even touch a radial arm saw for anywhere. But because I have so many saws now, I have 3 table saws and 1, 2, 3 chop saws, miter saws. I'll probably never use this saw, although you can do a lot of stuff with a nice radial arm saw. And that comes complete with the owner's manual. It's a Sears Craftsman, and it was probably about a $12 or $1,400 saw originally. But I'll let that baby go for $250. And anybody interested, let me know. Any comments below. Nice saw. All right. I think that's about it for today. I'm gonna pack it in, take it easy. I did take a nice nap in the air conditioning today. I got my bedroom down to 82 degrees from the 108 outside, so that air conditioner was working its butt off. One of these days I'm going to have to see if any water comes out of that. I've never seen any on the ground, but the air is just too dry, so there's no condensation for it to make. And who knows? If there is, I'll catch that water. All right. G Bear reminding you, give me a thumbs up down there. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to save. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. We've seen a few new people come on in the past few days, and I see some of the ladies are starting to sound in and get onto this channel. Before, it was the majority was like 50% male, or almost 60% all male, and the women were down in the teens. But they're climbing up there. I'll have to check the stats again this evening and see what they're up to, because the last 6 or 8 people who subscribed were females. Thank you very much. Welcome aboard. G Bear signing off.